If you love your car as much as the drive itself, then you'll love what's coming next. From smart dashcams and tire monitors to clever comfort upgrades and cleaning tools, today's automotive gadgets are more advanced, practical, and fun than ever before. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip junkie, or someone who just enjoys keeping their ride in top shape, these innovative accessories are game changers. In this list, we've rounded up 20 of the coolest car gadgets available on Amazon and online, each designed to make driving safer, cleaner, smarter, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Buckle up, because your car is about to get a serious tech upgrade. Bluebox Copilot. The Bluebox Copilot is a seriously clever car gadget that blends dashcam, security cam, mileage tracker, and engine diagnostic tool into one device. Designed for vehicles made after 1996. It features stereo depth cameras, a high-power AI processor, and live LTE streaming for parking incidents. At a sale price of $399, it offers strong value if you spend lots of time on the road or want more peace of mind. Installation takes some setup, so budget a little time for that. Viofo A139 Pro Dashcam. The Viofo A139 Pro impressed me right out of the box with its 4K HDR front recording via the Sony Starvis, 2-sensor IMX, 6, 7, 8, and full 3-channel coverage, front 4K, interior and rear 1080p. It offers dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4/5 GHz, built-in GPS, and parking mode support. At its retail price, around $399 for the 3-channel version. Daytime video quality is excellent, and night results are notably strong. Installation does demand careful cable routing though. If you want a high-end dashcam and don't mind the wires, this one delivers. Topdon TB 60000 Pro. The TB 60000 Pro is a smart 2-in-1 battery charger and tester that impressed me with its real-world utility. It supports 6V to 12V lead-acid batteries, as well as 12V lithium types, and employs a 9-step smart charging algorithm with Bluetooth app support for real-time monitoring. With a price around $99.99, it offers solid value. In use, I appreciated the pre- and post-charge health reports showing battery improvement. Setup is straightforward, and the app adds a nice modern touch. If you care about maintaining vehicle batteries, this gadget hits a sweet spot. Lanmodo Car Tent. The Lanmodo Car Tent is a clever gadget that feels like a mini garage for your car, designed to pop open via a remote in seconds. It measures roughly 3.5 meters by 2.1 meters in its standard size and supports wind speeds up to about 30 miles per hour, with a suction cup mount and anti-theft belts for extra security. It promised to reduce interior temperatures by up to 35 degrees Celsius. Price-wise, you're looking at around $239 to $799, depending on size and features. In everyday use, I found it gave my car shade and a bit more peace of mind when parked outside. Installation is quick, though you'll still want a flat surface and some caution in stronger winds. If your vehicle often sits under the sun or in open lots, this gadget might well be worth the investment. Tymate Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Tymate TPMS gives you real-time peace of mind on 4 wheels, monitoring both tire pressure and temperature via external wireless sensors. It covers a wide 0 to 87 psi range and offers multiple alarms for high-low pressure, rapid air loss, high temperature, and sensor battery alerts. What really stood out was the dual power display, USB or cigarette lighter, plus solar to USB combo in some models. Pricing starts at around $59.99 for base kits and approximately $99.99 for more advanced versions. The setup was straightforward. Turn on the monitor, install the sensors, and I appreciated its clarity on the color screen and the subtle early warning feel when it flagged a slightly low tire before it became a serious issue. If you value tire safety and want a smart upgrade that's not overly expensive, this gadget hits the right note. KMZ SUV Air Mattress. The KMZ SUV Air Mattress is a must-have for road trips and outdoor lovers. Its double-sided flock design, beige and coffee tones, and included electric air pump with 2 pillows make it both stylish and practical. Made from eco-friendly PVC that's 50% thicker than standard versions, it's durable, skin-safe, and cold-resistant down to -25 degrees Celsius. The 4 separate air chambers allow flexible inflation for solo or multi-person use. Quick to inflate via a car adapter and easy to fold for storage, this mattress delivers comfort and convenience anywhere for around $70. Lazerlamps Car Headlight. The Lazerlamps Headlight/auxiliary lighting kit delivers impressive clarity and build quality for serious motorists. Manufactured in the UK with premium components and advanced design, the Triple R and Linear series excel in both on-road and off-road use. The pricing starts from around $409 for entry-level models, scaling up depending on size and features. In use, the lighting is sharp, bright and high performance, ideal for night drives or tough terrain, though the premium cost and installation complexity mean it's best suited for enthusiasts rather than casual use. WarmQ Undercarriage Car Cleaner. The WarmQ Undercar Chassis Cleaner is a smart gadget for anyone who hates how much grime accumulates under the car. It's built with stainless steel and brass, designed for 1,500 to 4,000 psi pressure washers. It swivels easily to spray the underside and driveway floor. I found listings around $45 to $60. Setup was quick, just connect to your pressure washer, but you'll still need space to slide underneath. If you drive in salty, muddy, or wintry conditions, this tool makes the undercarriage cleaning step far more usable and less of a faff. FoxVault License Plate Vault. The FoxVault looks like an ordinary license plate frame, but it's secretly a secure vault for spare keys or small valuables. Built with high carbon steel and a weldless unibody, it offers both manual combination and Bluetooth locking via an app. It even features vehicle tracking and tamper sensors, adding an extra layer of peace of mind. One early asking price was around $149. Installation is straightforward, but you'll want to ensure it fits your plate and app setup runs smoothly. If you're worried about losing your key or want a discreet stash spot, this gadget blends high-tech with smart practicality. Chemical Guys After Wash Spray. The Chemical Guys After Wash. Speed. Drying Aid is a standout in detailing gear. It's designed to make finishing your vehicle wash faster and sharper. The 16-ounce bottle typically runs about $14. What I loved? You spray it while the car is still wet, and it helps water sheet off instead of puddling, reducing towel friction and thus swirl risk. On my SUV, the effect was clear. The surface dried more evenly, looked glossier, and felt smoother after. If you care about avoiding water spots or swirl marks, this product is a fairly affordable upgrade in your wash routine. Icon Life Car Wash Gun. The Icon Life Car Wash Gun is a powerful and portable cleaning gadget that makes washing your car or outdoor surfaces effortless. Delivering 1,016 psi of pressure and up to 1.8 GPM water flow, it easily removes stubborn dirt using its efficient copper motor and 14mm nozzle. The 6-in-1 adjustable spray head lets you switch between jet and wide-angle modes. Powered by a 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour rechargeable battery, it runs cordless for true mobility. Priced around $88, it's lightweight, compact, and comes fully equipped. Perfect for quick, thorough car care anywhere. Viofo Headlight Restore Kit. The Viofo Headlight Restoration Kit is a genuine game changer if your car's headlights are faded, yellowed, or hazy. This kit uses a polymerized solution to rejuvenate the lens surface quickly and bring back clarity. It's priced around £78 for a 600ml bottle in the UK. In real use, I found it easy to apply. Mask off the headlight, wipe on the solution, and minutes later, the lenses looked dramatically clearer. If you want brighter night visibility and a cleaner look, this does the trick. Moki Door Step. The Moki Door Step is one of those clever little upgrades that makes life with taller vehicles noticeably easier. It hooks into your vehicle's door latch and provides a secure platform, rated up to 400 pounds, to step up and reach your roof rack, clean snow off, or load gear. At a budget-friendly price around $35.50, it's lightweight, folds flat for storage, and uses durable materials like aircraft-grade aluminum or solid steel. I found it handy during weekend adventures. The only caution? Make sure the latch and surrounding frame on your vehicle can handle your weight. Some users report it dense. Once you've used it, you wonder how you managed without it. Innova 1000 OBD2 Scanner. The Innova 1000 OBD2 Scanner is a smart and reliable Bluetooth diagnostic tool for both DIYers and professionals. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone and reads real-time data from the engine, ABS, and SRS systems. Compatible with most vehicles from 1996 and newer, it ensures broad usability across major brands. The lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for home or roadside use. With no subscription fees and access to the Repair Solutions 2 app, you get verified fixes, part suggestions, and cost estimates. Priced around $100 to $120, it's a powerful, no-hassle car diagnostic companion. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The wireless CarPlay adapter transforms your daily drives into a smarter, hands-free experience. Designed for vehicles with wired CarPlay, models after 2016, it offers seamless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for instant access to navigation, calls, music, and Siri. Once paired, it automatically connects every time you start your car. Its compact plug-and-play design ensures effortless setup and smooth operation, even with your phone in your pocket. Backed by a 1-year warranty and reliable customer support, this adapter, priced around $30, adds convenience and modern tech to any compatible ride. Hotor Trunk Organizer. The Hotor Trunk Organizer is a budget-friendly yet highly practical solution for keeping your car clutter-free. Priced at just $10, it features 2 large compartments and 6 mesh pockets, perfect for groceries, tools, or sports gear. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it supports up to 60 pounds without losing shape. The adjustable Velcro sides let you fold it halfway or flat for flexible use. Lightweight and portable, this collapsible organizer fits easily in any car, making it a must-have for tidy and stress-free road trips. Oil Catch Tank. The Oil Catch Tank is a universal and affordable performance upgrade for car enthusiasts. Priced at $35, it fits most vehicles and features a 300 milliliter capacity with M16 by 1.5 inlet and outlet threads. The 2.6-foot hose and optional breather filter allow flexible installation, either as a vented or sealed system. Built to trap excess oil and moisture, it helps keep your engine cleaner and running more efficiently. Easy to install and maintain, it's especially useful for high-performance or turbocharged setups. A solid, budget-friendly way to protect your engine's longevity. Vitoman X7 Jump Starter. The Vitoman X7 Jump Starter is a powerhouse for any driver, offering a massive 4,250 amps peak current and the ability to start 12-volt engines up to 10-liter gas or diesel, even when fully discharged. Priced at $100, it doubles as a digital tire inflator with a 5.1-inch smart display, showing tire pressure and battery info in real time. It inflates a 30-inch tire in just 1 minute and includes 10 safety protections for worry-free use. With a honeycomb cooling design, LED flashlight, and power bank function, the X7 is the ultimate roadside companion.